Hello, today we're going to be learning about CK. Now, CK is tricky. So, it was a lovely sunny day, so Kit and Sam went out to play in the garden. Now, when you see words that have only one letter that make one sound, that's a consonant at the beginning, okay? So words like T, but TH is a digraph blend. Together, the T and the H make the th sound. Now, I'm going to try to show you some trickier words. Now, we know that the letter C can sound like K for cat. We also know it can sound like K for car. And we also know it can sound like care. Now, K is trickier. It can sound like kite. It can also sound like Kipper in a name, k. Or it can sound like Kelly in a name. The C and the K sound very similar, except when you see them at the end of a word. The sound bar is used to represent two letters working together to make one sound. So when you hear, this is a sack, and we've got k, but it's actually two letters that go together to make one sound, sack. So it's tricky because when you see the C by itself, it sounds like a caterpillar. When you see the K, it sounds like a kite. But when they go together, they sound like k together. Okay? So, we've already done that one. Mom came out to carrying a big sack. I thought you two might like to try some new garden games. And remember, we spell sack S-A-C-K. Kit and Sam opened the sack and began to pull out the toys and games. "This is brilliant," said Sam. Now here, the ball can go into the net if it has the CK at the end. Kick, the ball goes in. Sock, the ball goes in. Sack, the ball goes in. Dock, the ball goes in. Pick, the ball goes in. Pack, and you'll notice there's always a short vowel that comes before the CK. A run in the sack. "Good idea, Kit," said Sam. "Let's have a sack race. To the fence and back," shouted Dad. "Go. And remember, both snack and back are short A sounds for the vowel with the CK at the end. Today we have learned how to spell words that end in CK. And remember, back, sack, lack, hack, rack, track are all CK words at the end. I hope this helped, and I hope you now know how to spell words that end in CK.